look at this tire. It's flashing. So you can choose the color. You can just leave it on whatever color you want. This tire weighs 7 times an average tire. How do you open the door? It's hiding down here amongst these radio buttons. These were actually taken off radios. It is right here. I'm gonna push this. Here we go. Hey, door's open. All of this is 24 karat gold plating. Who would have thought?
Right.
Now let's get in. Look, check this out. Hello, Susan? Yes, let's go to lunch. What? There's a TV in here. The owner of this vehicle, the original owner, was the guy who built the original Batmobile for the TV show, Batman, George Barris. All right. Even crazier, I've never seen this before. I promise you, you've never seen this either. This is the steering wheel. So this steering wheel can be taken out completely, and this turns into the steering wheel. So if you want to steer right, look at that, left, right, on just this little thing down here. So you'd be sitting in this driving seat with no steering wheel in front of you, and you'd be using this. Now, even crazier is this is also the gas and the brake. If you want to accelerate, you just go forward like this, and if you want to brake, you pull it down. You are controlling the entire car, the steering, the gas, and the brake with one little pedal here with your hand. So you're not using your feet at all. This is crazy. How do you get into the back?
The seat moves forward,
these ones
but it's
move
still
forward,
very
okay.
hard to get in there.
Right, right.
Because you gotta, like, oh, you're good.
Sorry.
You have to really duck to get in there. But he also added the...
And there are, what, 3,000 of these buttons on the car? How many?
There's a little over 3,000.
And you sourced these buttons from a radio.
Yeah, they
What
originally,
radio?
when they purchased, it was a Chrysler, from a Chrysler, 50-something Chrysler. I
How
can't
do you
remember
find
the
that many radio buttons from the same car?
They were actually purchased in the time period.
Really?
Yeah, we actually found the receipt and all his paperwork for him, a receipt for like 4,000 of these buttons from the radio manufacturer itself. They bought them directly from the manufacturer.
Who thinks of doing that? So now they're just decoration.
Yes.
The value, yeah. So $750,000 for this car now, after everything that has been done to it.
Yes.
Is it actually for sale?
No, it's actually going to be going to Claremont Collections in Chicago, Illinois.
Okay, yeah.
It's a museum, and once everything is settled down a little bit, it'll find a permanent home there.
There you go, guys. Craziest car here at the Geneva International Motor Show. Give us a quick thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my account. We've got such crazy stuff to come. All right, I'm out. Love you.